Hi, I'm Greta Kosh, one of the teachers at Lifeflow, and I'm going to be leading the weekend retreat Repairing the Past up at Tara Hills Retreat Centre from the 18th of November. And in this retreat we're going to explore how meditation and mindfulness can help develop confidence, genuine self-esteem and love for yourself. And these are things that we often want to achieve and experience but are not quite sure where to get started. So if you are a person who doubts yourself a lot, if you try to achieve unrealistic standards that you've set for yourself, for example, of being perfect all the time, or have that sinking feeling of never making the grade, then this is the retreat for you. So it is possible to actually develop a really joyful and loving relationship with yourself and the world around you. And we're going to look at just how you can do that through enjoying the present moment and letting go of everything that's happened in the past, in the background, to be here and now. So I hope you can join me for a fabulous weekend at Tara Hills with great food, time spent in nature, going for walks, deep relaxation, yoga practices, meditation, and a whole lot more as we do this deep dive into how we can really genuinely love ourselves and develop a healthy relationship. So love to see you there. Thank you.